Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today is Flosstube Day. So I've been stitching away. I've worked on 3 projects this week. So let's start with what they are. The first one I worked on was my Dimensions kit, which is the train ornament. So I have now finished. Let me zoom you down. I have finished all the stitching on the train, less the back stitching, so that was good to get that done. And now I get to start on the little carriage, which is pulling the Christmas presents. So that's where I'm up to with that one. And I was watching a Flosstube last night, and I've seen a new way to finish. Well, it's a new way to me for a finish. So I might think about doing that, but that will come once this little the little carriage is done. So that was the first one that I worked on. I'll insert a picture of what it looked like before. So if I put that there, then I can put the picture here and you can see all the difference. So that was the first one that I worked on. The second one I worked on was one of my Heaven and Earth Designs pieces, and it is this one, which is Outlander by Heaven and Earth Designs. It's Jamie, Claire and Frank, and I'm working down in this area down here. So you won't see a lot of progress, but hang on, we're going to have to go back out again. Hang on a minute. Right. I've filled in a bit around here, and I can't remember, but if I put that there, then I'll put a picture in here of what it looked like before. So I'm nearly at 1,000 stitches. I think it's 985 stitches or something. So I'm nearly at my first 1,000. So that's always a good milestone. So that was that one. And then the last one I worked on was, let me pull this a bit closer, that would be a good idea. The piece that I'm doing with the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is Autumn Days Ornaments, which is this one here. And I did a stitch with me last week stitching on the pumpkin. Now we're going to have to go down again. That way. So I did the pumpkin. That was for the stitch with me. And then I went ahead and I did the little mushroom in the apple over here. And then I also went ahead and did the I Love Fall. Now we don't call it fall in the southern hemisphere, we call it autumn. But that's where I'm up to. So let me show you that. Oh, hang on, I have to go out again. So that's where I'm up to with those ones. So I'm just going to randomly scatter them all over this bit of fabric, and because when I go to finish them they will be individual, and I'll just cut them out to finish them. So that's my cross stitching for this week. So not a lot, but I'm happy with what I have done. So a very super quick video. I don't have any stitchy haul. I don't have any anything else to report regarding cross stitch, but that's my progress for this week. So I hope you enjoyed that speedy floss tube, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.